Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous video, we learned about secondary memory. Today we will see hard disk drive in detail. So let's start. As we know, secondary memory is also known as storage devices. These storage devices into two. First one is fixed storage and another one is removable storage. So our hard disk drive are kept in fixed storage device. So when hard disk is needed, whenever the large amount of memory is needed, the cheapest solution is hard disk drive. This is where your data, programs and the operating system that is used to make your computer are physically saved in digital form. What is digital form? Digital form is a string composed of zeros and 1. The data are converted into 0 and 1 form. So, your hard disk drive is an electromechanical data storage device, which means some parts of HDD are mechanical and some parts are electronic. It uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital data. Because the data is stored magnetically, information recorded to the hard disk remains intact after you turn your computer off. That's why HDD are in the category of non-volatile devices. Data is accessed in random access manner, same as RAM, which means blocks of data can be stored and retrieved in any order from any location. Okay? This is the organization of hard disk drive. I am going to discuss one by one. A single hard disk usually consists of several platters. So platters looks like a simple plate. In a normal hard disk drive, that can 1 to 5 platters may be present. These are platters, and these platters are used to store data in both sides. So for to store data in both sides, we need two read-write heads, one for each side. Here you will see in brown color, this is in upper direction and this is in downward side. These are read-write heads to read the data as well as write the data on platters. All the read-write heads are attached to a single access arm so that they cannot move independently. Here you will see the arm, and for in single arm these two read-write heads are intact, so that whenever the arm moves, these two read-write heads move simultaneously. And for each platter, these read-write head and arm are separately attached. The arm writes new data to the platters as well as read new data from them. Each platter has the same number of tracks. Platters are divided into tracks and sectors, and these tracks have the equal amount of in quantity in each platters. So, all tracks are the same distance from the center of the disk. It is very much clear point. Now, a track location that cuts across all platters is called a cylinder. So, what is cylinder? Cylinder is the distance between the platters. Okay. Platters are divided into cylinders, and again cylinders are divided into tracks and sectors. Okay. The read-write heads move inward to the next cylinder once the first cylinder is filled. What it means? It means when read-write heads needs to write the data, first of all they write on the outward cylinder. When outward cylinder is full, after that they moves towards inward direction. Okay. So, there is an electronic circuit to control everything and acts like a mediator between the hard drive and rest of your computer. So, I hope you understand the organization of hard disk drive, okay, and their working or functionality of each of them. So, hard drive need a read-only memory controller to instruct the read-write head how, when and where to move across the platters. So, it means with the help of ROM controller, hard disk drive read-write head works. Next point, a hard drive is divided into one or more partition, as everybody knows about that can be further divided into logical drives or volumes, CDE drives. Usually a master boot record MBR is found at the beginning of the hard drive, and this MBR contains a table about the partition information. Each logical drive contains a boot record, a file allocation table, that is FAT, and a root directory for the FAT file system. So, today we learned about hard disks and their organization. I hope you understand about the parts of hard disk drive and why we need hard disk. In the next class, we will see storage device, that is optical disk, CD and DVD in detail. Thank you so much.